1970s were a time of change for railroads all over the country and all over the world. Roger Koenig was out with his Super 8 movie cameras, recording much of the train action before it was gone forever. Roger lived west and south of the Windy City, so it was only natural he would frequently head for the hotbed of rail activity at Joliet Union Station. But he also visited Homewood, Blue Island, Oak Forest, and several other communities outside of Chicago. He also got farther west to savor the last remaining switching operation handled exclusively by steam locomotives at Sterling, Illinois until the early 1980s. Ride with us now as we relive rail action in the 1970s as seen through the movie camera lens of Roger Koenig. Our rail action starts right away as Roger rides the rear of a Rock Island commuter train as it meets and passes a freight near Joliet. The war bonnet of the Santa Fe is one of the most memorable paint schemes of pre-Amtrak diesel railroading. The eastbound Texas Chief bears down on Joliet. What a train, with 5 F units, high-level cars, and a full-length dome car. The Santa Fe ran its passenger trains with pride. We transition to the Illinois Central South Suburban station at Homewood, Illinois. It's September 1971, and Amtrak is 4 months old. First up is the southbound City of New Orleans. The train still has IC power, but the passenger cars are lettered for the IC, Louisville and Nashville, Seaboard Coast Line, and Union Pacific. A train of the old 1926 multiple-unit heavyweight electric cars on the IC electric line overtakes the city. We're back at Joliet Union Station as an early Amtrak Texas Chief makes a station stop before heading west with all Santa Fe lettered equipment. This is the classic Santa Fe just as we would like to remember it, with a war bonnet paint scheme on the point, followed by a long string of stainless steel cars. Things got dicey on the rock at times, such as when a freight derailed at the 167th Street curve in suburban Oak Forest in June 1971. The Joliet station looms on the left as the Rock's westbound Quad Cities arrives behind E8A 652. The engineer waves to Roger. Number 652 was part of the last order of new passenger power for the Rock Island. Numbers 650 through 655 were delivered in February and March 1952. Next up is Amtrak's westbound Lone Star, pulled by a pair of SDP-40Fs with a long train of refurbished Heritage Fleet equipment and new bi-level Superliner cars.